Hi guys, I am Shinta Khera. Today we are going to study about how to take the multiplication of any two numbers which lies between 10 and 20. Okay. First of all, I would like to say the maths tricks is very important subject in your life because it helps to simplify your day-to-day activities. Okay, let's consider our tricks. The first one, you have to multiply 13 multiply by 12. Okay, this is our example. What is the method? And we can write like that. The first step is multiply 3 by 2. The answer is 6. Okay, this is our first step. After that, add this 13 and this 2. Okay, this 13 and this 2. The answer is 15. Trust me guys, this is the answer. You know, it is very simple tricks. Okay, let's consider another example. And we have to multiply 17 by 12. Same procedure, we can write it like that. The first step, multiply 7 by 2 and answer is 14. Okay, second step, add 17 and 2. The answer is 90. But there's a rule. What is it? You can't put two numbers in this side. So the one goes this side. The answer is 204. Okay. Let's consider another example. And we have to find 19 multiplied by 2. The answer. Same procedure. 19 multiplied by 30. Okay. The first step, multiply by 9 by 3, 27. And second step, add 19 and 3, 22. Okay, after the rule, the 2 goes this side. The answer is 247. Yes guys, this is very simple maths tricks which help to simplify your day life. It is all my wish, and let's meet another video. Okay, thank you.